Hi, this is Erin O'Neill, and questions 5 and 6. I found 4 to be kind of the same as 5. So basically, question 5 asks you to explain how you estimated the velocity of the coins as you changed the pressure above them by blowing fast breath, like blowing air quickly, which above the coin. So first I took the numbers I knew I had. So the penny, nickel, dime, and quarter, I found their mass in grams, their diameter in millimeters, and then I found their area and I converted the diameter to meters in my equation to find the area. And so this is all those answers here. And then I thought through what's a free body diagram going to look like as the coin is lifting in air. So it's the force of its mass and like gravity is going to equal the force of, I think it's like the change in pressure. And so basically, yeah, that's what I said here, as it hovers in the air, which is basically buoyancy. So the buoyancy is equal to the mass. And so according to Bernoulli's principle, the speed of air increases as its pressure decreases, which is why blowing quickly to make the air move faster above the coin will decrease the pressure above the coin, and therefore the pressure below the coin, which is the constant, will cause the coin to lift. So knowing all this, I plugged in the numbers I had, I knew this was the equation, and instead of plugging in all the numbers here, I rearranged the equation so that I could solve for the minimum velocity it would require to lift each coin. And I figured that the air was if it was at 20 degrees Celsius, its velocity, its density is 1.2041 kilograms per meters cubed. Sorry about the background noise. That's my dog playing with her toy. Get over there, Luna. Okay, it's a little quieter. So then I went through each of the penny, nickel, dime, and quarter, put in the numbers. So for example, the penny was 0.00311 kilograms. So multiply that by 2 by gravity divided by the density of air times the area of the penny. And the square root of that brings us to 13.33 meters a second. So that's how fast I had to blow to get the penny to lift off, which was easy for me. The dime was also pretty easy. The hardest one was, the nickel and the quarter were both hard for me. And what I realized was, even though the quarter is heavier as a coin itself, the nickel takes more velocity of air to move it, to lift it, which is because the nickel has got the highest mass to area ratio. It's a smaller area, but the mass is 5 grams, which is just a hair less than 5.67 grams, which is the quarter, but the quarter's got a much larger diameter, as you can see, 4.6 versus 3.5, blah, 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 to the -4 meters squared. So that's why it takes more air to lift the nickel or faster moving air to lift the nickel rather than the other coins.